Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share one of the interesting thing which you guys can make it at your home with the rose flowers. So today I'm going to share how to make rose water, that is gulab ka jal, at your home with these rose flowers. So here I am taking some of the rose flowers from my plant. So a lot of roses are growing, so I thought why we have to waste, we can make rose water. Hey guys, here you can see I harvested lot of roses from a garden. What I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the petals of these one, then I will wash these petals, then we have to start making the rose water, guys. Hey guys, here I removed the petals, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to wash this one in the cold water. Hey guys, here I put it in the cold water, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to clean these flowers. Because there should not be any small insect, so that's why we are cleaning this one. And so this is done, guys. Hey guys, I'm using the same vessel now. So I added some water. So I added 4 cups of water into this, and when it started little bit boiling, we have to add that rose in this one. The water is little bit hot, and I'm going to add these petals into this. Homemade rose water is the best because we are not going to add any chemicals into this. So yeah, and into this I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil, or you can add any vegetable oil or sunflower oil, any oil, guys. But today I'm going to add the olive oil. I'm adding a little bit of olive oil. So we can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil into this. So can you see it started boiling, and we have to mix. And can you see the flowers, it changes into white, pinkish color, and it's time to switch off the flame, and we have to wait until it becomes cool down. Then we have to strain this one, strain this rose water, and we have to put it in the bottle. Okay guys, after it cools down, my rose water is ready, and can you see the color of the rose water? It is a little bit pinkish, and so yeah, so it's time to store in the glass jar. Hey guys, my rose water is ready, and so yeah, so this rose water you can keep it in the refrigerator for up to 1 week, and you can apply this one in your face, and it gives a nice look in your face, and you can apply this rose water with the coconut oil in your hair, and it gives the hair thickness. So these are the tips for the rose water. So yeah, so this is the quick video of how to make rose water, that is gulab ka jal, without chemical at your home. See you soon in my another video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.